I'm willing to roll the dice on this one. Lane 6, Edwin Allen, Delano Kennedy.
Final of the Class 1 boys 400 meters. Sent away cleanly. And keep an eye on Jasona Dennis. He likes to go out hard of steps. He's running blind on the outside. Delano Kennedy has made a fast start as well. Amal Glasgow wants to get into the picture. And Malik Smith Band with some work to do. But that unique running style of Delano Kennedy trying to close the stagger on Jasona Dennis, who has absolutely stolen a march. But the strength of Delano Kennedy of Edwin Allen now coming through. Amal Glasgow in the third position. Look at Malik Smith Band on the inside. Delano Kennedy of Edwin Allen takes a little peep over the left shoulder. Delano Kennedy leads. Malik Smith Band trying to get back into the picture. It's a Delano Kennedy of Edwin Allen running away with this one. 45-24. Delano Kennedy, big performance. That was prime time. Delano Kennedy gives Jasona Dennis and Malik Smith Band an embrace. And that was good 400-meter running here for the Class 1 boys.
45-27, a big personal best for Delano Kennedy of Edwin Allen in second place. Oh, wow, another sub-46. That means Malik Smith Band is also doing a PB at 45-74. Quality running, 400-meter running. Dwayne, are we going to be too early to say it? Yeah. Is it back? Is it back on the men's side?
It feels that way. And down the back, Jasona Dennis on the outside in lane 8. Stole a march on the field, but Delano Kennedy, with that fantastic sprint speed and the experience that he's gotten over the past couple seasons, comes into the final stretch with Malik Smith Band trying to respond. Amal Glasgow there as well, but Delano Kennedy turns into the home stretch and he begins to unwind those long legs and goes away from the rest of the field. Smith Band responds and responds brilliantly. The prime time athlete comes through and comes through strong for second, but no denying Delano Kennedy dips below 46 seconds. Smith Band, a big personal best for him. And Jasona Dennis, the bravest of the lot in lane 8, but this man gritting, fighting, a gruesome run, a tough race. But Delano Kennedy gets there, and gets there he does. Answers all questions, ticks all boxes. Amal Glasgow, a personal best for him as well in 4th, but no denying Delano Kennedy, the top spot.
Yeah, and I think the top 4 delivered. I don't think anyone would have bet against that 4.
The Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.